Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now in today's video, I'm going to be decorating a table for one. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. So how beautiful it is when you take the time out, and even if you're dining by yourself, we can go ahead and set a table for one. Now this beautiful dish that I'm using in the yellow and white was from Pottery Barn. The charger came from Hobby Lobby. And I am using a clear plate from the Dollar Tree, so this looks absolutely amazing. Now look at this, I learned how to make a rose with a napkin. I'm so excited. I'm lighting the candle. Now let's head on over to the reveal. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.